You need computer help, and you need it now. Sure, you can make an appointment, wait several hours or even a day, and pay more than $100 to get things going again with your local computer repair. But why wait? Get your computer problems fixed right away with online computer help from That Tech Jeff. For just $49.99, I'll connect securely to your PC and help you to get things running smoothly again. Service typically takes between 1 and 2 hours, and you are free to do what you wish while I work. Online computer help is safe and secure and allows me to deliver service to you at this very low rate. With more than 200 verified reviews and almost 20 years of helping people with their computer problems, I am ready to help you too. Book online or give me a call. Either way, I am here to help you.